Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 5th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, and it's a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy, and it's almost a weekend. Yes, tomorrow Saturday, but today is also the first Friday of the month, and as you know, the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve after these two regular puzzles with the speed test. Okay, yes, as you know, I've told you, the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test without any instructions or without any instructions. So I will do this very quick to solve. Yes. But this one will be number 496 I believe. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares times 4 printed digits. So 4 times 9, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Already 1 minute and 47 is past. Speed test, August. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let me go to the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 2. How about the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. How about 3 is not completed. 3, 3, okay. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on. 5, 6, then 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, then 7. Oh, 7, 7. 7. Here need a 7. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. 3. Okay, 3 we have here. 3, 3, and 8. This should be the 9. 8. 8. 8. The 5 and the 6. Come on. 6, 5, 6. 7 here. 7. It should be the 6, 7, 9, and 5. 5. Here the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 finish in 4 minutes. 59. Yes, completed. Minus 1 minute. So I've solved this in 3 minutes and something. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And let me check if this is correct. Sometimes you made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. The first speed test today. And in a minute, I will continue with the heavy Sudoku. Heavy Sudoku, speed test, August. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.